Hey everybody, this is Delaney with Premier RV in Bluegrass, Iowa, and today I'm going to take you through the 2026 Sunset Park Sun Lite 14THX. Coming in at just about 2,580 pounds unloaded vehicle weight, this is one of the smallest toy haulers on the market, and it's got some awesome upgrades from your standard 14TH. Before I get too far into the video, please make sure to like and subscribe, let us know what you think in the comments down below, and of course check out our website and social media in the description as well. Starting off on the outside, we have an all aluminum sided 16-foot 2-inch travel trailer here with residential insulated walls and a powder coated steel chassis that's really going to help protect your unit from corrosion. You've got an exterior shower on the door side of this unit. You don't have any other exterior storage compartments on this unit because of the size and the fact that it is a toy hauler. Around the front, you have your manual tongue jack and a rock guard diamond plate protector up front. That's going to really help prevent the front of your camper from road debris when you're traveling. For running gear, you've got easy loop axles with electric brakes and radial tires with a heavy duty 6-inch lift. That's going to ensure a nice, sturdy, and reliable travel experience for you. Also, on the off-door side is where you'll find your tip-out bed, your water heater, and your ladder receiver backer. That's so you can get up on the roof, make sure your seals are working properly. You've got nice PVC roofing membrane up top and a fully walkable roof. And these are both great features to have, especially in a roofing system. You need a nice solid roof in order to prevent any leaking and water damage in your unit in the future. Heading inside, we've got a nice wide open garage space floor plan here. We've got a front kitchen with a 4.3 cubic foot 12-volt fridge. You've also got a 2-burner stovetop with the flush glass cover. That's going to give you a little extra working counter space when you're not using the stove. You've also got your microwave and a large single basin sink. That comes with a sink cover, so again, you can have a little extra working counter space if needed. Next to that is where you'll find your outlet and your switch for your refrigerator. You've got some decent under the sink space and another extra little cabinet down below for anything else that you may want to store. And last but not least, again, your 4.3 cubic foot 12-volt fridge. Give you a little view of that. It's really going to give you enough space for all of your necessities. And above your fridge, you've got a little shelf here that can be sort of a catch-all. Next to the kitchen is where you'll find your bathroom. This is what they call a wet bath. It's your shower and toilet combined. They also took the liberty of adding hooks on either side of the door on the inside of the bathroom in order to add a curtain to block the water from getting on the door and stuff like that. I briefly mentioned the water heater when we were on the outside of the unit, but this unit does come with a 6-gallon gas electric DSI water heater. It's going to keep your showers nice and warm for you. Moving on to the main living space slash garage space. So one of the main differences between this 14THX and the original 14TH is this tip-out bed. You may be thinking, oh, I don't really necessarily need a tip-out bed. It's just going to be myself camping or me and my partner camping. A, this can be great for any guests that you may have coming to stay with you, or B, it could also be a great alternative for some extra storage space while you're camping. So in all, it can be a sleeping space or it can be sort of a flex space for you depending on, again, your camping preferences. It does also come with this nice snap-on cover. This is perfect for when you're traveling. When you fold that tip-out bed back in, it keeps the mattress and the bars and such all sort of tidy in its own space and out of the way in order to make room for all of your toys that you may be hauling in your toy hauler. Moving on from there, you've got your magnetic bug screen here that leads out when you have the ramp door open outdoors. That ramp door will be a 74 by 88-inch ramp door, and I will put all of the other dimensions for the garage on the screen for you so you can see those there. Moving on, for dining table seating, you've got this nice bar style seating here that folds down in order to let down your Murphy bed. This thing is super easy to put up and take down. Up top is where you'll find your bed frame legs that fold in or fold back out. And then on either side of the mattress is where you'll find these hooks that just keep it nice and secure during travel, or simply when you don't want to use the bed during the daytime. Next to that, you'll find a little bedside table, which is perfect for plugging in your phone, your CPAP, things like that. And you've got some extra storage down below that as well. Last but not least, for some extra little appliances, you've got your 100-watt SolarFlex solar kit and controller on this unit with a 12-volt converter. In the garage, you've got 6 separate D-rings in order to tie down anything that you're planning to haul, and you've got a roof-mounted AC unit in this camper, as well as a 12-volt exhaust fan up top. And for entertainment, you've got a TV bracket location there with your cable and outlet, so you can watch TV on rainy days. So that was the 2026 Sunset Park Sun Lite 14 THX. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you're interested in this unit, it is available now at premierrv.com. If you would like more information or you have any other questions, feel free to leave a comment down below or give us a call. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.